Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial of Widget. So today I'm going to show you a simple thing about a block. So I'm going to show you how you can add a slider block widget in your Wix slide. So it's pretty simple and straight away I'm going to show you. So I have opened my editor and you can also open your editor, go to blog and go to post list slide bar and drag this. You can add this on any of your page where you are showing blog post. So here it is showing there is no post. That's why it is. So let's try adding some of the posts here. So let's go on manage post. If there are no posts, we will try to add some of them and let's see how does it go and how long it takes. Please watch this video till the end. Watch this tutorial till the end. You'll understood it. You'll get it properly. Okay. So here are templates. So I'm going to add a simple one, create a new post. It's type of okay. Add some image here. Polish. We'll add a human. Let's add an image here as well. I think this is enough to show you the slider. Let's get back to that page and let's preview it without taking much time. Okay, let's preview it. Okay, it's working. So this is how you can use it. So now right now the design is not that good. I have made it so huge, but you can use it in a small section in a small size. So I would recommend that use it in small size on the page that you want to list it or show it. So I hope you got it. Thanks for watching.